Guys, yeah, welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to message someone you did not know on Telegram. I'm going to show you how to do it. You're not a friend of the someone, you don't have the number of the person, and you only want to message the person, you want to DM the person. How do you go about it? So let me show you. Now we're going to hit straight to our Telegram. Open your sorry guys, open your Telegram. And now I'm going to wait for it's updating now. I'm going to open maybe a group. You're inside a group, for example, this group now I wanted to message this person now, and you can see this person is not on my contact list. We don't have anything to have together. Just click here, you can see, click on the person's name like that, and this is the message icon. Just click on the message icon here like this, and you'll be directed to the person directly. You can see, just click on the message and you type in your message that you want to type and click on send. Once you do that, you have automatically and easily send a message to that person. If the person wanted to reply you, they're going to reply, and if they decided not to reply, they will keep mute. So it's very easy. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share, and drop a comment and subscribe. Thank you guys, you're wonderful.